Hey, this is Charles Draven, and today I'm going to go over my Facebook group affiliate marketing secrets, where you'll be able to tap into third-party Facebook groups and promote your business in a very special way. Because, of course, you just don't want to hop into a group and start promoting your offer. So you'll have to learn a very specific way of doing it. And if you stay tuned till the end, you'll be able to get access to a free video where you'll get information on an exclusive framework for automating your affiliate business and making multiple streams of income. And I'm here in Silicon Valley. I've been building my business online for over a decade. I started off as a financial consultant where I was promoting my business through pay-per-click advertising. And then I realized that I got married, had a kid, I realized that I needed more flexibility. And then I looked online, just like a lot of people, started searching for ways to make money. And then I discovered a very powerful and simple, effective business model. Now, through InfoSpike TV, I share a lot of information that I've learned over the years to help others make money. And so let's talk about targeted Facebook groups. So I'm sure that you've gone through Facebook. You could easily search for these different groups. They're kind of like forums. And what you want to do is search for these groups that are very relevant to your niche. And there could be some interests like based on the keyword that you type in. And if you're not really sure, I would just use a tool like, let's say, ChatGPT, and just type something like, you know, tell me some ideas that are relevant to this niche, and they might not include the word that you are looking for. So, for example, if I type in affiliate marketing, there might be a name of a company, like let's say ClickBank. There might be something like email marketing. And all these are related ideas where a lot of affiliates can hang out in. So, a lot of the things that I teach is focused on the make money online niche. So, a lot of these ideas are going to be stemming from that. And of course, you want to not spam the group. You want to be there to provide value. And one of the things I want to let you know about, if you are interested in promoting through Facebook groups, at the end, I'm going to tell you how to get access to a list of over 600 targeted groups. And again, I'll mention that at the end. So one thing about creating valuable content, you want to make sure that it resonates with the group members, and this will help you build trust and establish yourself as a go-to resource. And this could be like helpful tips, your insights, engaging videos. And the reason why I'm mentioning this is because when people get into affiliate marketing, they'll get an affiliate link and they'll think that they just need to share that link and make a lot of money. But by just sharing that link, that is not the value that I'm talking about. You have to create some other content to start building that trust. And again, if you're not really sure what type of content to create, I would say that you could, of course, do some research on Google. You could see how other members are actually getting a lot of engagement on their content within those groups. And of course, you could use ChatGPT to come up with some ideas. Affiliate product selection. You want to be able to, of course, promote products that benefit people. And you have to think about what type of offer will benefit the members in that group. It's common that opportunity could make it seem like one size fits all, where one business opportunity can just help people make money, and that is the overall benefit that people will gain. But you have to kind of think deeper and think about what are the angles? How can you actually discuss things with people in that community? Because they may not be very interested in your core offer. So another way to go about this is think about information that links to free information that you're providing. Earlier, I mentioned that you could provide insightful information and videos. Those are kind of like even on YouTube, think about it like a landing page. People will land on that video, and then if you have something that is related, you could talk about it in that video. So it depends on your strategy. Some people will create a web page with a video. Some people will create a web page with an article. It could be as simple as a blog article. But you have to, of course, make sure that it's something that follows the rules of that group. But the main thing here is that you're just not directly putting affiliate links especially when people are not asking for them. It comes off as very spammy. Strategic promotion. You want to weave in your affiliate links in your content. And what I mean by content, the way that I do it is that, just like I mentioned, it's going to be on another website outside of the group. And so you want to respect the group's rules. And so the way that you do it is that, again, let's say that you have a very value-focused video, and you think that is something that is not generic. It's not something that you're just posting to spam the forum. It is something that is answering a big issue problem that a lot of the forum members face. You could go ahead and create a video on Facebook for that. And then the more videos that you post, the more trust that you can build up. And perhaps you could link out to even an external resource. Or if that is not something that is viable, what you can do is when people start to know you, get to like you, then they'll of course become your friend, and then that's when you could start providing some content through messages, through direct messages outside of that group. So community building, talked about this. This is just another way to provide value. You can look through the discussions. You can answer questions, offer support, and that helps you build that know, like, and trust factor. And some members, I've seen some groups where they say, you cannot post offers, you cannot communicate with the members directly. They don't want people to like poach people or directly spam people. But what I've noticed with trusted members of a community, whether it's a moderator or somebody that frequently posts and provides a lot of great content, then the owner of that group will be more likely accepting of you providing some content that can help others in that group, especially if it links to other content outside. For example, I am part of a group that's focused on a software. Of course, they're focused on creating software to get paid members, get paid subscriptions. And so one of the things I noticed is that one of the team members was really focused on that software, became a power user, and then became a course creator for the sole purpose of selling a course focused on that software to help others learn about that software. And then what happened was that the owner of that group started openly promoting that course to others because he found value in that course and thought it would provide value to others. So that's not a direct approach, but I just want to give you this idea. If you are communicating across dozens or hundreds of groups, there's that potential for you to have that type of connection. And then with automation tools, there are a lot of automation tools. Some will post in groups, some will not. But the great thing about this is that you could schedule your post into the groups. You can track your progress. You can analyze your data, and that's great. But it's not really needed, but it is there in case you want to automate your business. I have used tools like this in the past, but I tried my best to try to post naturally, organically. So the choice is yours. And just as I mentioned earlier, a big part of this is making sure that you respect the group rules. You don't want to violate them. And I give you an example regarding the software where the rules might seem very rigid, but it really depends on the connection that you have, especially with the moderators and the owner of that group. So I have two things that I want to talk about. One is going to help you with Facebook groups. If you are in the make money online niche like I am, like business opportunities, trying to help people make money online, then I do have a list of over 600 targeted Facebook groups. And that is something where you could check out my first link in my comments below. My first comment below is going to be pinned, and you'll be able to get access to this at a very, very low cost. In fact, it's $10 at this point in time. And this information has been put together over time to provide just easy access to these groups for you to join. And I'll also tell you that this list is growing to close to 1,000 at the time of me recording this video. And once it hits 1,000, then the price will double. So if you want to grab it, I believe it's going to increase in price. It's the 2nd of November today, so roughly in 6 days, I believe, is when the price is going to increase. So just want to let you know that up front. And then also, I mentioned about getting access to a free video. This is something that will help you earn passive income, will help you earn multiple streams of income. And again, both of these links will be provided in my first pinned comment below. So I want to thank you for watching this video on how to profit with Facebook group affiliate marketing. And again, thank you for watching. And if you really enjoy this content, make sure that you like and subscribe.